Cactus-based criminal defense lawyer Steve Hall says clients are being unfairly targeted by the local district attorney for being undocumented. Tonight on Pronews 7 investigates criminal justice for the undocumented. David Grasso-Ortega talks to District Attorney David Green to understand what happens to undocumented folks when they have run-ins with the law. David's in the studio with more. David?
Criminal defense lawyer Steve Hall says that his undocumented clients are unfairly treated by the legal system in the Cactus area because of their status and are denied their basic constitutional rights. While District Attorney David Green says that his office treats all people the same regardless of their status. To get a first-hand account of an undocumented immigrant's experience with the criminal justice system, I sat down with Mr. Hall's clients in Cactus.
Steve Hall's client, nicknamed Güero, who asked not to be identified because of his undocumented status, says that he was given 2 years probation on a previous charge. But just days later, authorities came back to arrest him again.
8 days after, they gave me 2 years probation. They came to arrest me again.
According to Hall, during the trial, the district attorney's office got word that Güero was undocumented, so they pursued him for using a fake social security number.
I was told I had to get another job because they were going to charge me again with the same charges, so I left. And they went to my new job to get my personal information.
The district attorney says that this isn't about Hall's client's status. This is typical procedure, and he's just doing his job.
If we learn that a person that we're prosecuting has committed another offense, then yes, we investigate that other offense, and if the evidence is there, we pursue the case and present it to the grand jury.
Hall says that the DA was unsatisfied with his client's original charge, which he got off only with 2 years of probation, so he was looking for more charges.
Why did they go arrest Güero and not the other 10 or 7 or 8, 10 guys that are out there at the same place? Or better yet, the boss who's taking a really bad ID.
Cactus businessman Ricardo Vargas Guerrero says that people in Cactus, especially those who are undocumented, live in fear and feel vulnerable.
They look at you and treat you accordingly. I think if you're someone that can defend yourself, someone who has the legal and economic status to do so, the authorities notice and it's easier to fight off harassment.
The district attorney says that if people feel unfairly targeted in Cactus and surrounding areas, it's unfortunate, but he's just doing his job and trying to follow the law.
If some people up there feel that way, then I'm sorry they do. But in this office, we try to make every attempt. But if they're illegal and commit the crime, then we're going to prosecute those cases just like we would any other case.
Hall disagrees and says the DA is overstepping his bounds by leading investigations.
We never could get the investigator to say where he started the investigation or how, what, why, and that was where I was really concerned, because where's the dividing line between what the state's allowed to do and what the federal government.
Tomorrow on Pronews 7 investigates criminal justice for the undocumented. We'll talk to DA David Green about what powers are granted to district attorneys in Texas. And we'll see why criminal defense attorney Steve Hall believes that the DA is overstepping his legal bounds. From the Kennedy Broadcast Center, David Grasso-Ortega for Pronews 7.